Okay, what we've got here, it's a thumb turn lock. Just show you that that's nicely locked up. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to have a go at single pin picking this. I'm not the best at single pin picking, which is just as well, because this lock isn't the best either, so with a bit of luck we will get into the lock. There you go, the lock's open now. Now if I was to turn that lock as normal with the small end of the tension wrench now, this front piece is just going to spin round and this black piece that locks the door is just going to stay locked. What I've got here is a tension wrench. This side it's standard, this side it's longer. I think it was John C that made me this one. Now if I use the small end and turn it, all this front piece will turn round but this black piece will remain locked. So you think you've picked the door but you actually haven't, and it still stays locked. I've seen this posted on the forum a few times, that's why I'm making this vid. But with this longer piece, which I always keep in with my Southords, if you push this into the keyway, push it right to the back and then you see how it's engaging now with this black piece here which keeps the door locked. And because it's engaging with that, with the longer piece of tension wrench, you then turn in the keyway, which does unlock the door. Yeah. So when people have said you can put different pieces of metal in or use a pick, if you haven't got proper thumb turns, you know this, you can just use a homemade tension wrench like that with the longer end. Just try and pick it again quickly. So if we get lucky, and then I can show you how it normally happens and what you see if you use the small end. There you go, it's picked again. Watching this black bit, it's not moving, yet the front is with just the small end in. Again, the lock's staying locked, but you think you're picking it because the front's moving. Yeah? So to me, on the outside of the door, all I'm seeing is that front bit. To me, I've picked the lock. But you actually haven't, because the inner mechanisms remained locked. Well worth having a small piece of metal like this, yeah, or a homemade tension wrench, which is what this one is, to do the job, because you don't want to risk putting your picks in there to the back and damaging them. So there you go, that's just a quick demonstration to show you this problem that a few people have mentioned a few times.